Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add black screen on CapCut. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my CapCut application, and as you can see, I have created a project on my CapCut, and I'm going to show you how we can add black screen to this project. If you want to add black screen, you can go to the CapCut library, and then you will get a black screen right here. You can go to the background category and you can add this black screen to your project, or you can search for black background like this guys, and then there will be some black backgrounds for you, and you just need to select the background that you want. I'm gonna go with this one. I'm going to choose this black background picture and I'm going to add it to my project. Okay guys, and that's all the way to add black screen in CapCut PC. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video guys.